Alright, so welcome again to MG Sports TV. I have to say, short video, very, very short video, but brilliant, brilliant initiative by the Jamaica Football Federation. What am I talking about? I'll definitely get into that. Anyways, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. As you guys know, the JFF have been really, really distant where support is at, and the follow-up base. They have a big follow base online, but in the stadium, not a lot of follow base follow supporters in the stadium. You got a match here, so the grandstand kind of full up, and it just kind of trickle down, but it's not massive. And I believe that when the national team is playing, you're supposed to have a packed stadium. I strongly believe that. But what went wrong? Culturally, what went wrong? Why the Reggae Boyz cannot full the national stadium? It has been years since the Reggae Boyz full the national stadium. So the big question is, what went wrong? Did Jamaican people fall out of love with football? No. You saw the World Cup. Oh, the whole of downtown I run up and down with Brazil flag. Una of Argentina. There's three teams in that World. Well, two teams in that World Cup, and then you have people who are follow. One and two little anomalies them. The two teams are Argentina and Brazil. Everywhere you go, Argentina, Brazil flags all over the place. So that means that I don't think Jamaican people actually fall out of love with football. Every person right now watching this, if there is 1.1 million man in Jamaica, man, above the age of boys to men, above the age of 13, and you have a phone here, WhatsApp. You are likely, once you watch football, you are likely to be in a football group. Likely, strong possibility. You are likely to be either playing football or part of a football group. So no, Jamaica haven't fallen out of love with football. So why is it that we can't fill the stadium or get a lot of supporters in the stadium? Why? Solely because of the management of the team and the application of the games. Marketing factor is huge. Big. Now, when the games are playing, you're not seeing much about it on the social media. You're not hearing it on radio. You're not really hearing it seeing it on TV. So those are the bridge. So you find out over years, because of all the disappointing results, not many people really want to watch Reggae Boyz. And also because of lack of funding, not a lot of home games are being played. So people can go out and enjoy themselves on a Friday or Saturday evening, Sunday, whatever time the Reggae Boyz are playing. So you kind of lose that fun factor. Now, the initiative that the JFF have took now, where they said any kids under the age of 10 are free. That is huge. And let me tell you why that is huge. It might be small or insignificant now, so maybe you might not even see a lot of kids under the age of 10 in the stadium right now. You might not see it. But if we continue with that same initiative, 10 years down the line, those same 10-year-olds who got the opportunity to go to the national stadium and see the Demari Gray, see the Leon Bailey, see all of these guys, I'm sure that we build something in them. So when there's another game, they would have that interest to go. Say, Daddy, can't I go to the stadium again? So even when they're 11 years old, where the father now or the mother, whoever is taking them, have to pay, they want to go. So guess what? That's revenue. So that's building a fan base. So this is actually a brilliant initiative. I'm not sure who think of that idea, but it is a very good idea. It's a really good idea. I'm telling you. So in the event you have say you have 1,000, just say 1,000 fathers bring their son like 9 between the age of 5 to 9 or to 10. And those 1,000 kids between 5 to 10 come and watch and get that experience of what it feels like to be in a national stadium watching the team play. Even they don't really know what's happening, they like the feeling, they love the feeling. And guess what? They want to feel that feeling again. So whenever the football team is playing again, they're going to ask their father or their parents or whosoever brought them, and when are we going to the stadium again? So they're looking out for games at that age. So when they start growing and get older, they'll be still looking out for games. So they'll have this keen interest to go to the national stadium to watch the Reggae Boyz, and that will internally develop a bigger fan base over the years. So you get some loyal supporters. And that is something that we have lacked for a long, long time. So this is actually a brilliant, brilliant initiative. In my perspective, I can be wrong, but I strongly believe that it is a wonderful initiative. Big up on yourself, JFF, on that. Fans in the stadium is always good. Always good to have a support. It's huge, huge, huge thing when you have a support, people. Big up on yourself. And well done, JFF, on that one. MG Sports TV, we are out. Boom. I am out. Me out. Out me. Me out. Big up. Hey. Boop.